The headmaster of the Mit Changdong Secondary School, Laubertun, Fersan Kharjana, had expressed his concerns at the plight of students of private schools of Meghalaya. Informing the media on the scheduled secondary school selection examinations for private school students, Fersan Kharjana said that the Education Department has not given enough time either for teachers to complete the course or for the students to prepare for the examinations scheduled for the 25th of October this year for private students of East Khasi Hills and 1st November for students of West Khasi Hills. As per the orders of the Education Department, teachers are to complete 10% of the course for class 10 students. Lamenting on the plight of the students, the headmaster urged upon the Minister in charge of Education, Lakmen Rimboy, to reschedule the said exams and also to consider the plight of the students. He also conveyed a message to the Teachers Association to not only fight for their salary and benefits, but to also look into the welfare of students.
Banwan ang sini tembak kimlat nama bakal perkat ikata haging kelumar kim tipsu bende nam ta kani kam ban persya ikini kai bani kelum langru banwan ang sini mendulpor nama exam ta ajan hapen kre ikini ki form lani ki kaban kam jingkam dikna kurs la duna menta gidon no down ka kurs hapen 100% sagoi pada construction lu la long no hakmut tang urbanized tam lai benai la long construction ban ben palat